Hello and welcome to today's video on high altitude investing. Today's video is a Wednesday market roundup, so let's get right into this. Alright, so I'm at my screen here and we're going to go ahead and start with BitShares. As always, links in the description for this document. Okay, so let's check out this BitShares chart. Now, BitShares is what's in bullish flag formation. Okay, so basically what we have is we have this huge bullish move and then a consolidation inside of a triangle. So when you trade bullish flag formations, you look to either sell when it breaks below the triangle line or buy when it breaks above the triangle line here. So that's what I'm currently thinking in BitShares. I hold a position in this and I entered around 11K and I'm going to hold that until it does either one of these things. I will add when it hits the buy portion at just above 15K, or I will sell if it goes below 11 here on the bottom. So that's my thoughts on BitShares and how I'm personally trading that. Now let's go with Stratus or Strat. I'm very long. This is similar to the burst chart. I think that we're going to pump up right here, possibly hit this 38K range, pull back closer to where we are now at about 33K, and then go up for the 46K. So this is an ascending triangle formation, so until we break below support, which is this red line on the bottom, the trend is still good. So that's what I'm thinking Stratus. And all these are 3-hour candlesticks. I just did that because they looked pretty good for zoomed in right here in the shorter time frame on these. So that's why I picked 3 hours. Now here's NXT. This is also a heavily requested coin. This one's in a descending triangle formation. Now I do not currently hold NXT. I sold at around 8K Satoshi, but I will be planning to re-enter probably at the bottom of this pitchfork around 5 to 550K, because I see this descending triangle breaking below here and this trend dropping off, but it could go up from here. It really depends on how it reacts in this triangle. So, but I've already taken my profits here at the top and I'm looking for a re-entry. So I will enter if it breaks above the triangle here on this green line, or yeah, you guys should sell if it breaks below that red line if you own some and you want to follow my trading plan on that. Okay, now let's go ahead and check out Steam, another heavily requested coin, one that I'm holding quite a big portion in, and I think that we're going to go ahead and break above this consolidation and break above the 100,000 Satoshi mark. So that'll be really cool when we do that in Steam. Right now we're just kind of consolidating, but we do have a bullish engulfing candle here, and I see this trend continuing on the upside, but those are my buy and sell signals if I wasn't already in a position. That's what my buy and sell signals would be. But I'm already in a position, so I just put those there for you guys. Again, 3-hour candlesticks. Raicoin, this is the last altcoin I'm doing, and this one I feel like has a lot of potential. I already own some, but I will be adding to my position when we break above 10K Satoshi, and I will be looking to sell around the 16 to 18K range. The only thing that would make me sell this is if we dropped down to like 4K here, that red line. So that's how I'm trading Raicoin, and like I said, this document's always in the description, so go ahead and check it out. Now let's check out the mothership, good old Bitcoin. Bitcoin dropped off today a little bit further than I suspected. I thought we would catch support around 2,500 on this support line at the 23% fib, as you can see here. But we dropped a little bit lower here into the pitchfork. Still very bullish, went ahead and added more to my position. And the trend is still intact. That's how I trade Bitcoin. I buy dips until the trend isn't intact. So until we drop below this pitchfork, like unless we drop to like $1,200 or like $1,600, which I do not see happening, I would still be long Bitcoin. So I entered more on my position here, as I think this was panic selling due to the 3K, and it will rebound very quickly back up to the 3,200 range. So be watching Bitcoin, and I am very bullish on it still. This was just panic selling in my eyes due to a psychological rejection at 3,000. But yeah, so that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. Go ahead and check out my charts, comment in the description, tell me what you think, like, share, subscribe. Total market capitalization in the cryptocurrency world is $106,791,070,516. 24-hour volumes at $4,865,156,907. Total currencies is up from my last roundup at 754 currencies. Total assets is up from my last roundup at 126. Yeah, so that's pretty much my roundup for this week. So we will switch back over to the other camera. I hope that you liked this week's analysis. Stay tuned and watch for next week's. As always, stay profitable.